Welcome to the home science lesson on housing. In this lesson, you will learn about the functions of a home, site selection for a house, areas in the house as well as maintaining hygiene inside and outside the house. Let's begin. Today, we are diving into the world of housing. So, what do you think of when you hear the word house? Maybe a cozy place to live, right? Well, you're correct. A house is more than just bricks and walls, it's where we create memories, where we find shelter, and where we call home. Now, let's explore some cool aspects of housing. Now, imagine you're in a village. Look around, and you'll see all sorts of houses. Some are small, some are big, and some are even shaped differently. But they all have something in common, they provide shelter. Whether you're in a small village house or a big city bungalow, a house is where you feel safe and comfortable. Now, here's the interesting part. A house becomes a home when families live together, sharing love, happiness, and responsibilities. It's where we learn values like respect, care, and discipline. A home has many functions, just like a team. It's protective, economic, educative, and social. Let's break it down. First is protection. Your home keeps you safe from weather, animals, and even unwanted visitors. It's like your superhero shield. Next is economic value. Your home is an investment. It raises your social status and gives you a sense of pride in society. It can even be used for income-generating activities like renting a part of it. Now, education. Your home is where you learn important life skills like sharing, caring, and responsibility. It's like your own personal school of values. Finally, social and religious functions. Your home is a hub for family interaction and belongingness. It's where traditions and customs are passed from generation to generation. Plus, it's the perfect place to celebrate together. Alright, now let's talk about choosing the perfect spot for your house. This is super important because once you build it, you can't just pick it up and move it, right? First, think about your neighborhood. A developed area with electricity, roads, and common facilities like schools and markets nearby is a great choice. Next, pay attention to the physical features of the site. Avoid noisy and polluted areas. Low-lying spots might lead to flooding, so stay elevated for a better view. Soil matters too. Strong foundations need firm soil. Loose soil can cause problems later. Sandy soil makes your house hot, while rocky soil is great for foundations but tricky for drainage. Now, let's explore the different areas inside a house. Your home is like a puzzle, with each room serving a specific purpose. You've got your living room, where you entertain guests and relax. Good lighting here is a must. Bedrooms are for sleep and privacy. They should be quiet and comfortable. You spend a lot of time here, so make it cozy. Bathrooms should be clean, well ventilated, and well lit. No one likes a dark and damp bathroom, right? In the kitchen, sunlight is your friend. It's not just about cooking, it's about staying healthy too. Good drainage and ventilation are key. To make the most of your space, use multi-purpose furniture. Sofa cum beds, dining tables for studying, or even boxes turned into a settee, get creative. Use furniture as storage and room dividers. Shelves can separate your living room and dining area while keeping things organized. Furniture with built-in storage, like beds with boxes, makes life easier. It keeps your space clutter-free. Even the space below your staircase can become a storeroom or an extra bathroom. Don't let any space go to waste. Remember, a well-planned house is a comfortable house. Plan your rooms wisely, and you'll have a home that's functional and fun. Now, let's shed some light on an essential aspect, maintaining hygiene both inside and outside your home. Sunlight is your best friend. It's not just for warmth, it's a natural disinfectant that keeps germs at bay. Ventilation is crucial too. Fresh air circulates freely and keeps your home smelling fresh. Cross ventilation, like windows on opposite sides, works wonders. Cleaning is key to hygiene. Dust is the enemy. Daily cleaning, weekly cleaning, and seasonal cleaning keep your home sparkling. Don't forget about garbage. Dispose of it properly. Kitchen waste and non-biodegradable waste should be separated. Use dustbins and dispose of garbage in public bins. Wastewater from the bathroom, kitchen, and washing area should flow into a drainage system, a soakage pit, or a garden. Lastly, let's talk about the safe disposal of human waste. Sanitary latrines, like water closets, are ideal for this purpose. If a sewerage system isn't available, septic tanks are a good option. They're hygienic, low cost, and don't pollute the environment. In some areas, pit latrines are used. These deep pits prevent flies and keep the area clean. Remember to add water to help with decomposition. Also, always cover the pit with a lid to prevent foul smells and flies. And with that, we wrap up this informative lesson. For additional information on this lesson, please look at the content below the video in the online course. To get a list of the important questions and their answers for this lesson, please refer to the guidebook by our publications provided to you with this course for free. It shows you a list of all the questions that have the highest chance of coming in your next exams based on research carried out on previous year question papers. All the best, and I'll see you in the next lesson.